Okay guys, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Now instead of joining the midpoints or the perpendicular, okay, what we do is guys, for all the sides here for the triangle ABX, I'll be drawing the perpendicular bisector. Okay, school में we should draw the perpendicular bisector if you remember. जैसे कि आपको BX का draw करना है perpendicular bisector, right? So point B से एक more than half distance पे एक arc कट किया. ओके, उस सेम डिस्टेंस को कंपास के पॉइंट को रख के एक्स पे यहाँ पे एक और आर्क कट किया. ओके, देन अगेन सेम डिस्टेंस लेके ऊपर दो आर्क कट किया, इधर दो आर्क कट किया, एंड व्हेन यू जॉइन देम बेसिकली यू गेट द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. ओके, that's a rough way of finding out the perpendicular bisector. The property of the perpendicular bisector here is that it is the perpendicular and it is also dividing the side into two equal parts. So that is why it is called as a perpendicular bisector. Okay, now by the property of this guys, suppose अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इन सारे साइड्स पे विल ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स, राइट? सो हमने परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर डी पे ड्रॉ किया, हमने ई पे ड्रॉ किया और एफ पे ड्रॉ किया, राइट? सो ये तीनों जहां मीट करते हैं गाइस, दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड एज सी, इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सर्कम सेंटर. ओके, अब गाइस इस सर्कम सेंटर की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है समझते हैं. ओके, सपोज आई जॉइन द साइड्स, आई जॉइन द लाइंस BC एंड CX, मैंने रेड से इंडिकेट किया है अभी यहाँ पे. Okay guys, look at triangles BDC and triangle CDX. Okay guys, in the triangle BDC, okay, in the triangle BDC ये एंगल 90 होगा, सेम CDX में भी ये एंगल 90 होगा, राइट? एंड ये साइड तो हमने इक्वल लिया ही है, right? Because it's the property of the perpendicular bisector, and CD is the common side, right? That means guys, the triangle CDB is congruent to triangle CDX, right? The two are congruent, the two triangles are congruent, they are congruent by the SAS test, right? Two sides and the angle between, the included angle is are same, right? So triangles are congruent. If the triangles are congruent, we can say that CB will be equal to CX as a consequence of sides of corresponding sides of congruent triangles. In the same way guys, if I draw a line CA, okay, consider triangle AFC, okay, and triangle BFC, you can again prove AC is same as BC, right? That means यहाँ पे guys AC, BC और XC तीनों equal है, okay, and this particular distance, okay, that particular distance of AC, CB or CX, that is called as the circumradius. Okay, now guys, it's called as circumradius for a reason. Why? Because now keeping C at the center and taking any of these three, CA ले लो, CB ले लो या CX ले लो, taking any of these three as the radius, okay, you draw a circle, right? Circle passing through all these 3 points A, B, and X. This circle will be called as the circumcircle. Okay, it is denoted by commonly the symbol capital R, and this denotes the circumradius. Okay, so circumradius is denoted by the symbol capital R, and taking the circumradius as the radius and taking the circumcenter as the center, you draw a circle. The circle is called as the circumcircle. Okay guys, we'll see its properties in area of a triangle. आगे जाके जब पढ़ेंगे इसको हम लोग, it is used there mainly. So we'll go on further now, right? So now guys, what I will do is, मैंने side से बहुत खेल लिया. Now I will simply bisect the angles. Okay, I'll divide the angle into two equal halves. Okay, so I'm dividing the angle B into two equal halves. So now ABC को हमने break कर दिया as ABE and CBE. Okay, these two angles you can see here, ABE and CBE, these two angles, right? Similarly guys, I'll draw the angle bisector for angle ACB also or angle C also. I'll have ACF, this angle is same as BCF, and also we divide the angle A into two equal parts, BAG and CAG, right? So all these three meet at a single point. Okay, this point is called as I, or the in center, right? So guys, wherever the angle bisectors meet, that point is called as the in center. Now I'll just draw perpendiculars from the in center to all the sides. Okay, so I get three lines, IX, IZ and IY. Now again, I'll take two triangles first guys. I'll take the triangles BIX and I'll take the triangle BIZ. Okay, now guys, for these two triangles, देखो ये तो angle 90-90 होंगे linear pair axiom से, and angle this one, okay, ZBI is same as XBI, right? That means these two triangles are similar, okay, by the AA test. Also BI is the common side, right guys? Okay, that means the ratio of the sides BI is to BI is basically 1:1. मतलब ये triangle similar है and ratio of corresponding sides is equal, which is 1:1. That means the triangles are also congruent, isn't it? Okay, this proves that the line IZ is equal to IX. Similarly, we can prove IX is equal to IY or IZ is equal to IY. That tells us IX is equal to IY is equal to IZ. They are all equal and they are simply called as the in radius, okay, denoted by small r. Now, Why it is called as the in radius? Because it is the radius of a circle that lies inside the triangle. Okay, keeping I as the in center, keeping I as the center, and taking either ix, iy, or iz as the radius, we construct the small triangle. Since that circle lies inside the triangle, it is called as the in circle, and the radius so formed is called as the in radius. So the small circle inside it is called as the in circle. Okay, इन सर्कल के बारे में बात करेंगे अपन anyway when we study area of a triangle. Okay, area of triangle in terms of in radius भी आता है, we'll discuss that. Okay, so guys, angle bisector का एक और property we'll discuss that. Okay, before that let's solve a question. In the figure given, BE and CF are the angle bisectors of angles B and C. If angle BAC is 50 degrees, find the measure of angle BIC. Please try it out, guys, then we'll discuss. So question gives us angle BAC as let's say 50 degrees दिया है ना, इसको हम suppose मान लेते हैं थीटा. Okay, guys, suppose ये BAC को हम मान लेते हैं equal to theta. Okay, now guys, in the big triangle ABC, okay, suppose I take the big triangle ABC. ABC में एक angle A है theta, एक angle B है, देखो ये वाला. Okay, I'm talking about the big triangle ABC. Okay, this big triangle ABC, right? Okay, so in angle ABC, in triangle ABC, sorry, there is one angle A which is equal to theta, एक angle equals to B है और एक angle equal to C है. इन सबका sum guys कितना होना चाहिए? 180. Right, so I observe that angle B plus angle C is 180 minus theta. Okay, that is 180 minus theta. Okay, this I remember. All right, now look at triangle BIC, guys. Okay, in triangle BIC, okay, I have angle IBC, I have angle ICB, and I have angle BIC. इन तीनों का sum again कितना होगा? 180 degrees. Right, but guys, IBC is what? IBC is basically angle B divided by 2. देखो यहाँ पे BI is the angle bisector, B is the angle bisector, right? So IBC कितना हो जाएगा? Angle B जो पूरा है उसका half, right? Same way ICB भी कितना हो जाएगा? C का half, right? Angle C by 2 plus BIC is equal to 180 degrees, right? Now guys, between these two, what you can do is you can divide them with 2. Angle B plus angle C divided by 2. Plus BIC is equal to 180 degrees. Now what we do is we substitute this value in the given equation. B or C का sum हमें 180 minus theta आया था. So guys, when we do that, you will have 180 minus theta divided by 2 plus BIC is equal to 180. ये मिलेगा हमें. Now guys, if you just simplify this, ये हो जाएगा 180 upon 2 minus theta upon 2. Right? So this can be replaced by 90. Minus theta by 2, take the 90 on the right hand side, theta also on the right hand side. I will have angle BIC is equal to 90 plus theta by 2. Okay, all this headache to simply get you a simple result. Okay, if this angle is theta, okay, and I is the angle bisector, angle BIC पूछा है, it's basically 90 plus theta by 2, as simple as that. So now you can solve the question in seconds. Next time you see this, the answer will be 90 plus 50 by 2, 90 plus 25 will be 115 degrees. It's as simple as that. Okay, we see some more properties of the angle bisector, guys. We talk about triangle ABC again. We drew the angle bisector of C at point F. So we have CF as the angle bisector of ACB, right? So guys, there is something called as the interior angle bisector theorem. It says ratio of AC is to BC, okay, is same as FA is to FB. Okay, similarity concept use होता है इसमें आगे जाके, you can prove it or you can search the proof online if you want, not relevant right now. So just remember the result. Okay, in this case, okay, AC upon BC का जो भी ratio होगा will be same as FA is to FB. Okay, remember it this way because आगे जाके हम सीखने वाले हैं exterior angle bisector theorem. उसमें याद रखना काफी आसान होगा ये, right? So if you have the interior angle bisector theorem, guys, okay, AC and AB are the sides. AC के सामने कौन सा वाला value है? FA, right? और BC के सामने कौन सा वाला है? FB, right? So AC upon BC is equal to FA divided by FB. राइट, अगर गाइस हमने इसी ट्रायंगल ABC का लेट्स से एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल ड्रॉ किया, एक्सटीरियर एंगल सपोज ये हो गया, सपोज, ठीक है, ये इसका एंगल बाइसेक्टर हो गया CF लाइक द प्रीवियस केस. अगेन इफ यू टेक AC दिस साइड AC ऑफ द ट्रायंगल एंड इफ यू टेक BC एट दिस साइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, सो AC अपॉन BC विल स्टिल बी इक्वल टू सेम FA जो ये वैल्यू होगा अपॉन FB जो ये वैल्यू होगा, राइट. ओनली डिफरेंस इज गाइस नाउ द एंगल बाइसेक्टर हियर जो कि मैं दिखा रहा हूं अभी आपको हाईलाइट करके, this angle bisector lies in the exterior because it is the exterior angle bisector. Okay, so that's called as the exterior angle bisector theorem. Let's solve a question based on this, guys. In a triangle ABC, AD is the bisector of angle BAC. If AB is 8, BD is 6 centimeters and DC is 3 centimeters, find AC. Okay, very simple question, guys. I draw the angle bisector AD here. In this case, BD is given as 6, AB is given as 8, and CD is given as 3. Apply the angle bisector theorem. As simple as that. You get the answer 4 in one step.